In this video, I want to show you how to fold down the back seat of your Acura TL. So unfortunately, you will not be able to fold the whole thing. The only thing that you can fold down so you can pass items is the center armrest. So if you fold it this way, you're gonna notice there is a small cover that you can pull. And now this may be locked, so take your key and unlock it. And then by pushing this lever, you'll be able to open over here so you can pass keys, maybe 2x4, stuff like that. Unfortunately, the back seats are not folding down on the TL. So this is what you got. Once you're done, put everything back, hide it, and this is about it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below. If you didn't find it useful, comment as well. I want to know why. Well, probably because they don't fold, but this is not my fault. Have a nice day.